take you, Chris, to be my husband.
I, Shelby, take you, Chris, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, or for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Until we are parted by death.
Until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
I, Chris,
Shelby, my wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward.
have and hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better,
For richer, for poorer.
richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in
Sickness and health.
to love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Until we are parted by death.
Until we are parted by death.
This is
It's as simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me, as we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies. Just close
Shelby,
your eyes.
I've written these styles 100 times in my mind throughout the years of being together, and I am finally happy to express them to you. My first emotion that I feel every morning when you greet me with your beautiful smile is pride. Proud of the woman you are. Shelby, you're such a woman that has the qualifications as an astronaut, but willing to stay on land until we are able to go to Mars. You go out of your way every day to make me feel special, which I love. I am not the best at showing it because I want to live in those moments forever. The trust we have built is something amazing. It takes me time to build trust, and you have been more than patient, which says a lot in itself. You complete my heart, and you fill the void with love and happiness. You know how to make me feel loved, which is something I missed out on. Plus, you bring me coffee on busy mornings, which is pretty neat. The best thing I love about you is simply just that. You.
You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, love, love.
I promise not to get too upset when you beat me at crib, or any other competition for that matter, and I will do my best not to yell when you're up late nights gaming with your friends. I'll do my best not to lead whenever we dance together. I promise to always remember that you are indeed human, and you make questionable decisions, like instead of shopping for your tux, you're off gallivanting in the woods after an elk, deer, a duck, or whatever crosses your path. But your passion is endless, and you are generally one of the most caring and considerate people I know. You have the biggest heart and always do the most honorable thing, which inspires me to do better. Your bravery, kindness, and compassion never go unnoticed, and I promise to always be your family and to support you in times of need, anger, or despair.
Open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love.
Oh, you look beautiful, Shell. Hey, rain brings great luck, so this is great. How you doing?
Alright, family and friends. Today we are called to the mountains of Montana to share with Chris and Shelby an important moment in their lives. Some would say it's the beginning of their lives together, but really, their love story started several years ago. I've heard several chapters of Shelby's version of their love story, and they all begin with Chris doing anything in his power to make her happy. When I look at you two, and when the world looks at you two, we see love. And it is that love we're here to celebrate today. So Shelby, do you take Chris to be your husband, to live together in the covenant of marriage? Do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor him and keep him, forsaking all others, to be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Chris, do you take Shelby to be your wife, to live together in the covenant of marriage? Do you promise to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her, forsaking all others, to be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I wish I could stand up here and promise you the world, but the world is not mine to give. What I do promise is my world. Nobody else. Alright, I'm almost there. I'm almost done. Alright. Albert Einstein said it best. When you trip over love, it's easy to get up. But when you fall in love, it is impossible to stay with it. And Chris, hard.
Chris and Shelby have promised each other publicly in front of family and friends that they want to be married. So they are. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Chris, you may kiss your bride. Mr. and Mrs. Kinsey.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games. Baby, you won't change, I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before